Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can join a league in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, leagues are a very fun little thing on chess.com, which are basically ranked play, but limited to 50 players. Now, the way that you can access your leagues page is by going over here, right under your account on the main page, and clicking the trophy. Once you're there, you can see which division you are in, which week you are currently in, which year, etc., etc. And the thing about joining leagues is that they are automatically created, and you can automatically join them whenever you would like. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in Wood Division, and this ends on Sunday, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, or just Pacific Time, UTC -7. I'm not sure which one it is, but as you can see, this is what my division is, and I will automatically be brought over to, well, the division or to the league whenever the next week starts. Now, if I go into leagues and search for the actual instructions, as you can see, you need to win your division of 50 players each week, and you need to gain trophies. As you can see, as the amount of time increases, you get more trophies, and to advance to the next level, you need to earn trophies and be top 20, top 15, top 10, top 5, top 3, top 1, or just be the legend. And yeah, that is basically all there is to it. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.